Running under your own authority, you need this checklist before your renewal. Update your truck and driver list. Pull your last 3 years of lost run reports. Get your last 4 quarters of IFTA reports. Know your cargo. Be specific. Reefer, hazmat, dry van, etc. Review your coverage, liability, cargo, physical damage, etc. And list your certificate holders, including any special language they need. I've got the full checklist in a PDF. Just comment checklist below and I'll send it over to you. Make sure to like, save, and rewatch this so you're ready when it's time to renew.